Okay everybody, so this is going to be a short video on how to dechrome parts because it's actually very easy. So I'm going to be using the Zepp Industrial Purple degreaser, which you can get from your local Lowe's in the cleaning supply section. And then you need some kind of plastic container, something like that. Plastic's usually recommended. Put some of your parts in there. These are some of the parts that I've got for my upcoming project, the 29 Model T. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in there. Okay. And then I'm going to pour the stuff in. And then you just watch it go. So with this part, you just try to cover it up. That's about all you need. Now, depending on the chrome and everything, this stuff actually works pretty fast, but some of the newer chrome, it takes a little bit of time. I dechromed some stuff earlier, and it did it in seconds. You can see some of it's already coming off. That piece is already done. Yeah, those small pieces are already done. Yeah, apparently the newer chrome ends up being plated a lot better, so they've done a little bit better job on it, so it takes a lot longer. See, it's already coming off the backside on that one. That one's going to take a bit. See, some of that's, wow, that's already stripped. That part's taking a second. Ooh. Generally you want to have gloves on when you're doing this kind of stuff. I forgot my gloves. As you can see, I mean, that piece is stripped. You can see how some of this is stripped already, and others it's taken time. So that's basically it, guys. You just leave it in there until it basically gets stripped. You can also use Super Clean, which you can also find at Lowe's, but it'll be where like their automotive cleaning supplies are, stuff like that. As you can see there, that part's completely stripped. Nothing flat. So it's hard to tell which chrome's going to come off super fast and easy and which is going to take a little bit of time. So just be prepared that some of it comes off in seconds, literally, and then some of it may take minutes, and some of it may take a little bit longer. So as you can see, no more chrome. Now this newer chrome probably took about 3 hours or so to actually dechrome. So I left it in there for quite a bit. There's just a little hint of stuff left on the actual tree itself. But the parts pretty much are done. So that's to the point I can work with everything or sand it off. Okay. But that was all the stuff that I did yesterday. And they are dechromed. So now I can paint them the way I want them to be. And notice how the colors are different underneath. There we go. Once the parts actually get done dechroming, all you gotta do is just rinse them off with water. You can scrub them down with a mild toothbrush or something like that if you want. It may feel a little slimy at first, like there's a coating, and that's why you'll want to wash them off in either warm, it doesn't matter, it could be warm or cold water. I think I used warm water. And that pretty much is how you dechrome parts, guys. So, some of it just may take longer than others, but like I said, with the old chrome stuff, that stuff was literally coming off in seconds. So the newer the chrome, the longer it may take. So just be aware and understand that it may take you a few seconds, it may take a few minutes, or it could take 2 or 3 hours using the two products that I used, okay? I don't know about anything else. I'm not going to do a test for everything else. I just wanted to see how that would do, and I needed to chrome a few parts. And I've got to dechrome a few parts. And I'm going to have to dechrome a couple more. I forgot this part yesterday, so So I need to dechrome that, which I'm going to take care of that here in a few, well, along with some other parts. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. That's it. See you in the next video.